Be sure and stay tuned for the end of this video. You'll have a chance at winning a brand new case from the company Caseology. What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more cases for the all-new iPhone 11. We're going to try each one on. We're going to do a charging test. Sit back, get your popcorn. Let's chill for a minute. So this is the case lineup from Caseology. I have the Legion, I have the Parallax, I have the Caseology Vault, and I have the Skyfall. I'm going to take these one at a time. So I'm going to just pop them to the side. I just wanted to show you guys what we got coming up. We'll pop all these to the side. And I'm going to pull them in one at a time. We'll test out the charging capability. We'll test out how they actually look, how they feel, and if everything is okay with them. So the first one we're going to be looking at is the Parallax. Now this one is in the grayish color. It's actually a black and then a grayish color around here. These are like little bumpers. You can actually peel these off and put your phone in. It's right back in. Okay. So pops in, nice and smooth. And there you go. So first thing we want to look for is raised edge. You do get a slight raised edge on there. Get your Caseology logo. Buttons, nice and tactile on here. Everything matches up. Didn't want to take a screenshot. Everything looks good down bottom. And camera on the back sits down in that nice dip. See, it disappears. All in all, this case looks pretty good and it works well on this iPhone 11. So like I said, this is the Parallax. The next one we're going to look at is probably going to be the Legion. So this is the Legion up here. Got different colors for it. Now the Legion actually comes in two separate pieces. It's a hard outer and then a rubberized TPU. You can take it off and put it on, but I suggest just throwing it in that way. That way you have no issues with trying to get that bumper back around there. We're gonna look right here at our edges. Do we have them? Drop test. Screen's gonna be nice and protected under those rubberized edges. Nice TPU. Buttons, nice and clicky, nice and tactile. Everything looks good. Matches up down bottom. Camera disappears. Sits down in that nice groove, nice recess. Everything looks good with the Legion for iPhone 11. Pop that out, sit it back over here. So next, let's take this one, Caseology Vault. So Caseology Vault is a matted finish on the back. You got the pattern in the inside, rubberized TPU. Looks good, feels good in the hand. Non-slip material, and the matte is nice. You get to see that color of your camera back through there. Everything matches up down bottom. Like I said, camera sits down in a nice recess. We got a groove. We got bezels, nice bezels. Caseology logo. Drop your phone. Screen's gonna be protected. No issues, no damage whatsoever. This is the Caseology Vault for iPhone 11. Next up, we got two right here. This is Skyfall. So Skyfall comes with two pieces of plastic, one on the back and one is on the front. And I can't get to the one on the inside in here. Let's see. There we go. Right there. Once we get everything else in, there we go. Nice clear back. You see that phone. Wireless charging is on deck. Something I got to run back through all these because I think I forgot to drop them down on the charger. But wireless charging is on deck right here for the Skyfall. You got nice raised edges just in case you drop it. Nothing happens to that screen. Everything matches up down bottom. Buttons nice and tactile on the sides. Everything looks good. Everything matches up for the Skyfall from Caseology. So this one being the same case, we're not going to try it on because same thing, we don't have to try it on. But I do want to go back through here and do my charging test. Matches up. Take this one out. This is the Legion. This is the Vault. Wireless charging on deck. This is the Parallax. So remember, top goes first, everything else follows. There we go. Wireless charging is on deck. All these cases are worthy of the wireless charging test from Caseology. So hope this is able to help someone out, guys. I'll drop a link to these cases below. Remember, this is the lineup from Caseology. So I told you to stay tuned for my next video. Somebody is going to be winning this one, the Skyfall for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Leave me a comment below with the hashtag Average Tech Squad. I'll pick one winner at random. Tell me why you like it. Tell me why you want it. And it's all yours. Skyfall by Caseology for the iPhone 11 Pro Max can be all yours. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.